see it in the way I dress, and you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you could see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb, I'm from Oakland.
Yo, it's your boy. I am getting some reinvigorated motivation for the content. I've had a calamity of content gathering for this weekend. I was supposed to be getting the bike wrapped Saturday. All right, we got the joints loaded up, ready for tomorrow. God dang, that blue looks so good, man. Look at that. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm gonna match that up with the rest of the bike. I don't know what we're gonna do with this. Maybe stay tuned, we'll see. No bike was wrapped. Not one bike was wrapped. The situation, how it went about, things happen. No big deal, I ain't mad at it. But still, that was content that I had planned, that I had prepped for, that I was going to make happen, but it just didn't happen. That was one. Then this fool just pranked me. I knew it was him. I just fucking knew it was this fool Mikhail. He held character so great. I swear to God, this fool is out of his damn mind. I'll show y'all this in a second. I go to finally get the content that I was gonna make with the bike review. Quite a few things went wrong. This damn sprocket keeps popping off on this damn fucking bike. And then on top of that, the mic didn't work in this GoPro. And then on top of that, well, let me just show you.
I tell a nigga don't dick ride, don't blink ride. She get down and gobble up, cause my money up. Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance. Cloud chaser, now we catch him at the chicken spot. Up a couple chops.
So that's what went on with that content. Failure number 2, take that L. I get outside and then I say, well, let's do some RX-7 stuff. I go to start working on the RX-7, and right when I get in the flow of things and I'm about to do what I gotta do, I get a phone call and my dad's like, yo, I was trying to get the other trailer with the Z back in the driveway and then the power steering went out in the truck. I'm like, all right, no big deal. I don't need to go rush to anything or help out, right? He's like, oh, well, then one of these dudes over here say he was a big truck driver. He said, let me do it. I can get it in there for you. And he backed the trailer into the fucking house. I'm like, wait, what happened? He said, yeah, he backed the trailer into the house and cracked the siding and all this other shit. So I'm like, yo, Pop, why didn't you call me? I had to leave from doing what I was doing to go over there. Because, not only did he hit the house, when he hit it hard enough that the trailer somehow jumped off of the hitch and was just laying in the middle of the street with our Z on it. So I had to go assist that and get that shit done. The whole entire weekend, I wasn't able to make content until today. I got the notice that the parts that I've been waiting for to fully complete this goddamn bike, the lens covers, finally showed up. These are so the vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and finally install these. We're about to do this real quick, so stand by. Let me look at what Mikhail put up. Let me see if I know the conversation was funny. I know what it was. So let me just get that real quick. I'll put that up in here too. Let me eat my cup of noodles while we watch this. Watch. I let him ring for a minute so you can stress.
Hello, is this Lexus King? This is Chad Wilson with Modesto Mazda. How are you doing today?
I was Googling at that point to see where Modesto Mazda was.
Well, I'm calling in regards, I see that you have a Mazda RX-7, quite a few, correct?
This is Lexus, but I'll give them a message.
Oh, who am I speaking with by chance? It's not Lexus?
You see how
Is this his number?
Information? I wanted to see how long he was going to try and sell this damn joke. We'll block the number out, obviously.
Yes, you could reach me at 20.
But I seen how long he was going to go with it. That's why I'm laughing. How do you do that with a straight face?
I don't know how you do that with a straight face.
I'm sorry, sir.
That's,
Well,
I couldn't.
Please
I was
forward
like,
this
I
message
knew
to
it was
him as
but
we
I'm
are
just
having
like,
a
let's see
little
how
get
long he's
together
gonna
for
push it.
Mazda owners. We're looking for older RX-7s, basically. I've done a little bit of research. I'm trying to get something going
But
on with my
anyway,
dealer
it was
here
a
for
good prank.
7's
Go ahead
Day
and check
coming up, so
Mikhail
please
out.
forward this
I
message
put
to
his
him.
Instagram right here under the video. I was Googling at the point that he was saying stuff. I was just like, this is hilarious. Okay, so my idea more or less has always been for this track bike, this track plastics to resemble a street bike, right? Now, I do want to go ahead and slap a livery on it and everything and make it look like a whole official race bike. But the trick to doing that is the headlights. Obviously, I can't roll around with the number panel and everything on it and then no headlight. It'll just look a little weird, cops, things like that. So that's why I added the LED strips for headlights, but those themselves, to me, are ugly. When they're on, they look kind of interesting, but you see them off, looking at that just is never the move. So what I did do was I ordered these lens covers. Now, these headlight lens covers are the natural shape and design of this 5SL R6. And that's what I was gonna do to cover those up. So that's why I got them smoked. Now, the point isn't to totally hide them. You're gonna be able to see them behind this because you can see my hand, but at first glance it's not gonna look as obnoxious. So I'm gonna mock them up. I'm gonna use hardware. The temporary placement is gonna use the hardware that came with it because I want to pull it all off, just like that has tape behind it, so I can yank it off and we could wrap the bike and then put it back so that all of these positions are basically final, and this can sit on there, temporarily show what I wanted it to represent, and then of course once everything is wrapped, we'll just go with the permanent fitting of these headlights on there. I wasn't ultimately sure if 2 layers or 3 layers was going to be the move, and I'm glad I just stuck with 2 layers because this is where the headlight sits. So as it's windy and it's probably sounding crazy as I'm talking, let me just get on it. I actually might be able to get away with just 1 spacer. Man, this looks good. I like it like a mother. So, I mean, obviously what's on it and what's behind it is going to be far more distinctive when it's blue. But, I mean, I know that. We know that. And I'm not trying to make it look like a regular headlight, obviously. But it's just going to be a cover. And plus, when the bike's on, right, this is what you're going to see. See what I'm saying? So you're going to see that. But that's what it's going to look like. That looks hella tight to me. The only, move that I'm trying to hide is that. So that's what this is for. And it looks sick to me. Dude, I didn't expect it to be that cool. Damn, now I kind of want the bike all black, but no, we're gonna go all blue because it's wrapped. We can do different wraps at any time. So my first original plan is gonna be the blue. You'll see what I do with it. I just got word, was talking to Pro Style. They've got the color. We're going forward with it. The problem is they didn't get the color when, we planned to get it. So this turned out spectacularly. I really do like it. I think I like it more than I envisioned I would like it. So I'm really cool with this. It looks really good when the bike is on. And I think it's safe to say, from this experience, gang, we can end the vlog right here. So I'm gonna give y'all 2, and I'll catch y'all on the next experience when I probably try to do some dumb shit or break one of these bikes somehow. Or maybe I might break the car. Who knows? You never know with me. Something will be next.